Captain Simian and the Space Monkeys.
I didn't realize it was play period, Captain. Perhaps I should return after you've had your nap?
I was demonstrating the new peel-off maneuver, Jungle Blue Monkey 12. Now remember, Gore, primates 2 and 3 simultaneously change positions, while 1 and 5 do the same, and primate 4 pivots, thereby instantly reversing our direction while maintaining shield integrity. Don't look so worried, Gore. It's a no-brainer.
Speaking of no-brainers, Cap.
Greetings, Flesherpods. I hope you enjoy what I have in mind.
Looks like we'll get a chance to try out Jungle Blue Monkey 12 primate stations. Prepare to peel off. Report go, no go. Primate 1, go.
Primate 2, go.
Primate 3, go.
Primate 4, go.
Primate 5, go. And 6, go.
Execute Jungle Blue Monkey 12.
Was that stop and pivot left or pivot left and stop?
Captain, we are losing shield integrity.
Quit pivoting, Gore. We're getting creamed out here.
Oh, sorry.
Ceasefire. That was a close one. Gore, report to my quarters ASAP.
Those feeble unibrainers. They've now allowed me to gauge their shield resistance. The only question is, next time, should I destroy them all at once, or one at a time? I'm really of two minds about it.
The captain is upset with me because I couldn't remember the new maneuver. I almost got us all killed.
Perhaps I can obviate the problem, Gore. What is it you don't understand?
Siegfried and Roy!
I just can't keep up with the rest of you guys.
Gosh, if that's all that's got your drawers drooping.
I could always attempt to repair the Cerebral.
The pain! The infernal pain! Nothing distracts me from it. Even the exhilaration of cosmic destruction cannot divert my mind from this human agony. Rhesus 2, what is the meaning of this?
Sorry, Lord Nebula. I must have lost my mind.
You will lose more than that if you do not bring me the anti-thermion I require for my ultimate goal.
Just what I had in mind, Lord Nebula. My new project, Low Biathon, will ensure my success. Then I will not fail you, unless...
Failure is not an option, Rhesus 2. I need the anti-thermion. I need the anti-force. I need an aspirin.
Thus, I fear the cathode ion transfer was incomplete. Cerebral enhancement is doubtful.
That's too bad, Dr. Splits. Have you tried converting the synaptic cortex to a binary code?
Well, that may indeed have a beneficial effect, but I doubt...
Wee-wee! Looks like we got us another egghead.
Cerebral enhancement has enabled me to correct some minor errors in the mainframe computer's programming, Captain.
Errors?
I see it, but I don't believe it.
As well as effect recalibration of our sensors, communication frequencies, and damage control systems.
And he plays an excellent game of whist.
My mind boggles at the endless possibilities for scientific study.
Very impressive.
But how do you feel about it, Gore?
I am happy to be a more involved member of the crew.
Increased intelligence does not guarantee one's happiness, Gore.
That is an absurd suggestion. The priority of increased intelligence cannot be understated. Correct, Gore?
Not quite, Dr. Splits. Personal satisfaction is more closely linked to one's sense of self-worth than to one's actual intelligence quotient.
Well, excuse me.
Don't let Gore's smarts turn your smile upside down, Doc. Remember, 2 brains are better than 1.
Excellent. Leviathan controls are operating at full cranial capacity. Soon the power you require will be yours, Nebula, but the pleasure will be all mine.
Yo, Cap, I'm getting a distress signal from Galaxy PG-13, Gamma Quadrant, but I can't make heads or tails of it.
What are the odds of that?
Visit engineer before. Mining installation. We're under attack. Anti-plasma beam. Critical.
Anti-plasma can mean only one thing. Nebula. We've got to find out the source of that transmission.
Unfortunately, there is too much subspace interference, Captain. It will be impossible to pinpoint the exact source.
The one thing we do know is that it's a mining operation. I want the coordinates of all mining operations in the Gamma Quadrant of PG-13.
You want? What about my needs?
Take your pick. Delft-Glurb digging on Azrat, strip mining for anti-thermion on Drankso 4, or my personal favorite, Xanthium prospecting on Ubalam.
What's anti-thermion?
You mean you know what Delft-Glurb is?
Anti-thermion is merely a quasi-element, Captain. There is no reason Nebula would be interested in that.
I beg to differ, Captain. Cold fusion processing of antithermion can theoretically produce graviluminous antipositrons, also called electrons or negatrons.
I should have thought of that.
So, if Nebula merely reverses the polarity...
Glop!
Check. It's a big crunch thing. Engines full. Set course for Drankso 4. Acknowledged, Shaolin. Crew, prepare for soft landing. Still no sign of Rhesus. I know that non-fleshapod's playing some kind of mind game.
Or he might be playing some kind of mind game.
Gotta get that thing fixed.
So, Gore, just for curiosity's sake, I mean, not that I ever actually use the information, what are the odds on doubling down on a Kreblik wheel?
I'm sorry, Spider, but I'm presently calculating the proximity of Rhesus' ship, taking into account the average fuel load of the drones, airspeed...
I can answer that, Spider. The approximate odds are...
That's all right, Doc. I'll wait until Gore can give me the actual odds.
Something increasingly disquieting about this.
You mean that you're not the head egghead around here anymore?
No, something else, but I can't quite put my toe on it.
Okay, we've got to find that anti-thermion ASAP.
I suggest caution, Captain. Something is not right.
True, Captain. Though sensors have yet to register his presence, I have calculated that Rhesus, too, must be close.
This planet sucks.
Nah, hollow butt. It really sucks.
Greetings, tree dwellers. This is where I say something clever, then kill you. Sorry, nothing clever comes to mind. Look out! Oh, yes! This is just too much fun. Come, Leviathan. Let's make this nasty, brainless, and short. Divert full power to solar cannon.
Captain, I'm detecting wide-spectrum anti-thermion readings from within one of these silos.
But I'll be danged if I know which one.
Great. How do we find it before recess without getting ourselves blasted into monkey chow?
Hey, is it getting hot, or is it just me?
Interesting.
What is interesting, Gore?
The imminent pseudo-solar explosion about to occur within this silo. The increasing temperature should have already...
Explosion!
Thanks for the early warning, big guy.
What are you moping about? Gore saved our cotton-picking hides.
Indeed. But was that what he was concerned with?
I'll find that anti-thermion soon enough. It's just mind over matter. Ooh, that was a good one.
Why is he destroying the storage silos?
A mystery, Captain. Rhesus obviously knows one of them contains the anti-thermion. His actions are illogical.
Not at all. It is quite ingenious, actually. Antithermion absorbs solar energy. Ipso facto, whichever silo does not explode contains the antithermion.
Of course. Any fool could see that.
I had no idea.
This is a waste of brain power. Leviathan, widen the beam to full range.
Hey, ipso facto, which one of those two silos is going to blow?
An intriguing mathematical problem.
Mathematical problem? Gore, lives are at stake.
Here goes nothing.
Cat, wait. I know what to do. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Check, it's Mo.
Excellent. Anti-thermion located. Let's see Captain Zippy try to stop Leviathan.
We can't stop that thing. I say we grab the antithermion and run.
Captain, the turtle does not risk carrying its eggs across the crocodile's back.
Exactly. Want to run that one by me again?
Let us blow this sucker up.
I like it. Just one thing. How?
A simple matter, Captain, but I require Splitsy's
Expertise? Technical experience?
screwdriver, actually.
This is the final indignity.
Nope. That is. I think we're both out of a job.
Slaving all day over a hot transistor. This is the thanks I get.
Hey, Gore, you sure?
Gore?
Captain, Gore is not with us.
Gore, where are you?
I'm collecting some fascinating data, Captain. The reversal of polarity has had a causal effect on the atomic structure of the...
Never mind that, mister. Get your gorilla butt in here on the double.
But, Captain, in a moment I will have calculated how to extrapolate graviluminous orbifolding positrons from simple tap water.
Welly, welly, well, well. All is not lost. I must have that gorilla's brain. He won't be needing it much longer.
Okay, crew complete. Let's get off this rock pile ASAP.
You're not going anywhere, my little monkeys. Nice brain, nice brain. Here's where my earlier plan pays off. How many times have I told you children to put away your toys?
Damage report.
The anti-plasma missiles pierced our shields and immobilized our thrusters.
We're stewed, blued, and tattooed.
Who says there's nothing good on TV?
Greetings, fleshopods! Thanks to Leviathan, your ship is useless. I could destroy you if I had a mind to, but I'm feeling particularly generous. I want only one small thing from you. I want the gorilla's brain!
Forget it, Rhesus. He's using it.
Very well then, I've been polite. Now I will be slightly more forceful.
Okay, that's it. No more Mr. Nice Chimp. Shaolin, you and I are gonna pay Brain Boy a visit. Spider, keeping comlink. Splitsy, get working on repairs. Gore, you're in charge.
Captain, it may not be wise to leave Gore in command. I have calculated that his intelligence has increased 1,000-fold since his cerebral enhancement. He's almost too smart.
Are you sure you're not feeling a teensy-weensy bit jealous, Doc?
I? Don't be absurd.
I, too, am worried about Gore, Captain. He seems detached from his true self.
We'll discuss philosophy later. Right now, we've got work to do.
He's too strong for us, Captain.
Roger that. We need reinforcements and fast.
That does it. We need Goremongers. Gore, buddy, you gotta get mad or we'll end up as the main course at Nebula's Monkey Barbecue.
That really is of no importance. Life and death are just ephemeral concepts. I am about to quantify reality. I have pierced the veil of the infinite.
Well, zippity-flippin'-doo-dah.
He's past mere emotion, Spider. His mind is so far beyond ours that I cannot even imagine what is happening within it.
Well, it's a good thing Rhesus wants your brain and not your heart, because it don't look like you got one.
Dr. Splits, I require your assistance.
No, sirree, Bob. We've been down this dang road before, Sonny Jim.
Please, this time I really do need your help.
It's over for you now, Simian. And once Nebula has that big ape's brain, it's over for everyone.
I like yo-yos.
They're getting away! I will have that brain!
Report damage status.
Repairs are incomplete, Captain.
But what the heck? Give her some gas.
Initiate departure. Now!
Captain, Leviathan will overtake us in mere seconds.
Unless... Primate stations! On my mark. Jungle Blue Monkey 12. Execute.
Nice buzzing, cousin.
You see, Gore's intellect was keeping him from getting involved with our problems.
If I felt no anger, I could not help my friends.
Dr. Livingston, I presume?
So Gore built this synapticon, into which he could download his excessive brain power. I now return it to him so that he may once again scale the intellectual heights.
Do not do it, Gore.
Yeah, unless you get just smart enough to tell me the odds of doubling down on a Kreblik wheel.
Oops. I only wanted to be as smart as the rest of you.
You always were, Gore. Jungle Blue Monkey 12 went off without a hitch.
Sometimes you must go a long way to find out something you already knew.
I am not a genius, but I know it is important to have friends. And I know you never double down on a Kreblik wheel.
I knew that. Really. I mean, Who doesn't know that?